What would happen if the moon suddenly disappeared? Not exploded, not moved away, just gone. The moon may look quiet and distant, but its presence plays a critical role in keeping Earth stable. In this video, we will explore what science tells us about how our planet would change if the moon vanished completely. The moon is not just a companion in the night sky. It is a massive object with a powerful gravitational influence on Earth. Even from a distance of about 238,000 miles, the moon constantly pulls on our planet. This gravitational interaction affects the oceans, the movement of water, and even the long-term stability of Earth itself. Without the moon, Earth would still orbit the sun, but the balance we experience today would begin to change. One of the moon's most visible influences on Earth is the movement of the oceans. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's waters, creating the tides we observe every day. If the moon suddenly disappeared, most ocean tides would become dramatically weaker. The sun would still create the tides, but they would be less than half as strong as the tides driven by the moon. Coastal regions would notice calmer tidal cycles, while ocean circulation patterns would slowly begin to change. This would not happen instantly, but over time, it would reshape marine environments around the planet. Beyond the oceans, the moon plays a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's rotation. Earth spins on a tilted axis, and the moon helps keep that tilt relatively stable over long periods of time. Without the moon, Earth's axis would begin to wobble. This wobble would not be violent or immediate, but over thousands and millions of years, the tilt could change significantly. Such changes would strongly affect Earth's climate, altering seasons, weather patterns, and long-term environmental stability. Life on Earth has evolved under the steady presence of the moon. Many species depend on lunar cycles, especially those that live near the oceans. If the moon disappeared, biological rhythms tied to its light and gravity would slowly be disrupted. Marine animals that rely on tides for feeding and reproduction would be among the most affected. On land, changes in climate stability would gradually reshape ecosystems, forcing life to adapt to a less predictable world. The disappearance of the moon would dramatically change the night sky. Without moonlight, nights on Earth would become much darker. Stars, planets, and the Milky Way would appear brighter and more visible to the naked eye. For humans, this would improve astronomical observation, but it would also alter natural nighttime behavior. Many animals rely on moonlight to hunt, navigate, or avoid predators. Without it, their survival strategies would need to change. In the long term, the absence of the moon would reshape Earth in subtle but profound ways. Over millions of years, changes in Earth's axial tilt would lead to more extreme climates. Some regions could experience harsher winters, while others would face hotter and longer summers. These shifts would place constant pressure on ecosystems, making long-term survival more challenging for many species. Earth would remain a living planet, but it would become a less stable and less predictable world. The moon often feels distant, almost insignificant in our daily lives. Yet its presence quietly shapes the world we live in. From the movement of the oceans to the stability of Earth's climate, the moon plays a role far greater than it appears. Understanding these connections reminds us that nature is not random, but deeply interconnected. The more we explore the universe, the more we realize how finely balanced the world around us truly is. When we look deeper into how the universe works, we begin to notice patterns of balance, precision, and purpose. Nothing operates in isolation. Every force, every movement, plays a role in sustaining life on Earth. Exploring these truths invites us not only to understand the universe, but to reflect on the meaning behind it. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring our universe.